In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can download and install Instagram on your laptop or your PC. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more quick tech tips. This is a super convenient way to access Instagram straight from your desktop without needing to use your phone. So let's go ahead and get started with this immediately. Begin by actually clicking the search bar in the bottom corner of your screen and go ahead and search for Microsoft Store. Open up the Microsoft Store app, and the reason you're going to want to open this is because this is actually your PC's official app store. So once it does get open for you, it might take a minute for your first time, make sure you're signed in, and then go ahead and head up to the search bar up at the top and type in Instagram. Hit enter, it's going to load for a second, and then find the Instagram app on this page right here. Click on it just like so. And then all you need to do once you get on this page is simply go ahead and hit the get button, and that's actually going to start installing Instagram on your PC. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and simply press open. And from here, you just need to sign into your Instagram account as usual and you're in. But that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this, and have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.